Welcome to Magitools. In this tutorial we are going to have a look at how to delete anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, let me draw a little shape by using the Shape Builder tool. In this case I'm just going for a simple rectangle. Now to switch to the selection tool, simply press V on your keyboard. And then select your shape. And to better see where the anchor points of your shape are, you can press Control on your keyboard if you are on a PC or Command if you are on a Mac. And in this case you can see that we obviously have 3 anchor points, one here, and one here. Now to delete an anchor point in Adobe Illustrator, you would first have to select the Delete Anchor Point tool and then simply click on the anchor that you would like to remove. The Delete Anchor Point tool looks like this here, and you can find that in your toolbar. In my case it is located here, but in your case it might be located here under the pen tool. To verify that, you could just right click on your pen tool and you will see the other tools that are located under the pen tool. However, if you can't find the Delete Anchor Point tool anywhere here in your toolbar, you would have to click on those 3 dots here located at the bottom of the toolbar and then make sure to add the Delete Anchor Point tool to your toolbar. You can simply do that by clicking on it. In my case, it's already grayed out here in this list because it's already added to the toolbar. That's it. Now to delete an anchor point in your design, make sure that the Delete Anchor Point tool is selected. Then just simply hover over your shape or design to find the anchor point that you would like to delete. And once you have found it, simply left click on your mouse to delete that anchor point. And that's it, guys. This is how you delete anchor points in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.